There are more than 500 makeshift classrooms which expose learners to harsh weather conditions. Despite this, the Oshkoto region has been the top performer in grade 10 national examinations for the past 8 years and settling for second position in last year's grade 12 examinations. Oshkoto Governor Enoch Kankoshi is driving an initiative to look for sponsorships in order to improve infrastructure at some of the schools. Kankoshi recently mobilized business people to construct toilets for Ashihaya Primary School in the Onyulaya circuit.
I was invited to address the learners at Ashihaya Primary School on the 16th of June 2016 when we were celebrating or commemorating the Day of an African Child. I find out that that school has no single toilet. There's no single toilet. Teachers and learners, they are using bushes when nature calls. So that one touched me. I came to the office, I consulted with our officials, and we said, no, we can do something.
So far, Tulimbe Vava Fishing Company donated 100 bags of cement, with Oshikango Garage and Roadhouse giving 10 bags each. Temus Ngishiti, one of the 132 learners at the school, applauded the governor for the initiative and highlighted other critical needs at the school.
Our school has no toilet facilities. Once these toilets are constructed, we will benefit as we will no longer use the bushes to relieve ourselves. Sometimes there are even snakes there and it's dangerous for us.
Ndapanda Shuya, NBC News, Ashihaya Village.